In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. So the first step is to open the game and then go to your settings. Now simply go to sound, and as you can see here you have the option of main volume, so make sure to turn this on, and then you're gonna have to simply switch the music, sound effects, hero voices, system notification. Next, near the max option, as you can see, I have everything at max. So basically that's all you're gonna have to do. And you can also scroll down and turn on the battleground chat settings if you want, and basically that's it. Now if you still have problems with this, you're gonna have to simply uninstall the game, make sure you have the latest iOS version, and then reinstall the game, and that should fix the error. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.